Hello everyone, welcome back. Keyur Ganatra here, and I hope you guys liked the Python series that is available on my YouTube channel. If you haven't checked it out yet, you can go onto my YouTube channel and you will find there the Python playlist. It is a full series on the Python basics, and yet I have tried to make it as simple as I can or as I could. And surely the advanced part and the models part of it will be available on our programming portal that will go live soon. So right now let's talk about the aim of this video or the agenda of this video. So in this video we are going to discuss about two projects that we are going to include that in that basic course, or that we will develop with the knowledge that we got from that basic course, as we will have been discussing since the start that we have two projects. So the two projects that we have, first is the birthday application and another one is a menu based game called as jumbled words. So in this video we will see that how these applications are working, and in the upcoming two videos we will write code for them and we will implement. So rather than directly writing some code for some project, first it is necessary to understand what we are going to develop. So with that aspect, with that view, I am coming up with this video. So let's see what we are going to do. So first we will go with the first one, that is a birthday application, and let's see that what kind of a project it is. And as you guys can see on the screen, that we have here a heading as birthday database. Then we have some options such as view birthday, fetch all the records, add birth date, and so on. And it is asking us to enter a choice. So let's enter some choice. Let's say I want to view some birthday, so I will have 1. So it is saying record list is empty, since we haven't entered any record yet, right? And yes, and if you guys are thinking that we have connected some database to it and I haven't taught you guys yet, no, we have not connected database since we have not learned it. So I haven't connected it to any database. Yes, surely in the future we will upgrade it with the database, but right now we will not be using database. We will see that how we will code this. Right now let's just see the implementation bar or the final output. So since we haven't recorded any data, so it is showing record list is empty, and similar will be the if we fetch all the records, similar will be the output. Now let's enter some records. So here we have 3, and it will what we will have to insert is the name of the person and their corresponding birth date. So let's say I have John, birth date that I have is 12th, let's say Feb, I have 1975. Okay, let's go with 1975, and it will show record added. Let's say I want to add one more record. Then what we will be doing is let's click on 3 again. The name will be Tim, and let's say the date is 23 December 89 this time. So this is 1989, and let's click on enter. Record added. So now let's try and fetch the record. So let's use the first option, that is view birthday. Let's see what happens. If I click 1, it will ask me enter the name to find the birthday. So what we will do is we will enter the name and it will fetch us the birthday of that particular person. So let's do that. So let's say we have John, and it returned us the birthday of John. Okay, but what if the person is not added into the record, and what happens if the record is not in the list? Let's check. So let's say we have here 1, and it will enter the name to find the birthday. Let's say we have here Sam, and it will show no record not found, because we don't have the record of the name Sam, right? So now let's fetch all the records that we have in our database, that is the birthday application. So let's click on 2 here and hit enter, and here we have got that is John and Tim that we inserted. And now we are done with this, so let's exit. So process finished with the x equals 0. So this is our first simple project, that is the birthday application that we will be doing. So seems exciting, right? So we will be developing that in a very short video that I will come up we will do in the next video. So let's see then what will be our second project. So as we were discussing, we have our second project here, that is jumbled words. So now let's have a look at what we are going to develop in our second project. So here on the screen we have again the output of the program, that how will it look. So it's basically a game. The computer will basically a 2-player game. Okay, the computer will suggest us some word that will be jumbled. The player has to guess the word. Okay, and if he guesses it right, the score will be incremented by 1. And at the end, the player that has more points will win this game. So let's see that how it works. So it is asking player 1, please enter your name. So let's say we have here John. Player 2, enter your name. This time we will have Sam. Okay, now John, it's your turn, and we have got here a jumbled word, and it's asking what's on your mind. That's right. What do you think? That what is that word? So okay, I have wrote this program, but I can't recognize what it is. Okay, I think it is class. So class. Yes, your score is 1 since it was the right answer. So the score was incremented by 1. Now it is asking, please press 1 to continue or 0 to quit. If I press 1 to continue, then this chance will go to the other player, and if I press 0, then game will get over. So now let's give chance to the other player. So now that is Sam. So let's have your press 1 to continue. Okay. So Sam, what's on your mind? Okay. Okay. Now what is that? I can't recognize this. Okay. Let's go with NICO. NGD. I don't know what it is. So let's. Okay, better luck next time. Okay, we have got the right answer as well. So it is coding. So the answer got wrong. So now let's once more give the chance to John. So I will click on 1 and yes. And yeah, this is easy. This is debug. So okay, so John is leading here with 2. And let's give chance to Sam again. Okay, now again to Sam I am getting some tough words, but what is it? Okay, this is game, I guess. So let's have it here, game. Yeah, that's true. So finally Sam got the first score. So now let's quit the game and let's see who wins or who won the match. Okay. So John, your score is 2. Sam, your score is 1. Thank you for playing. Congratulations, John, you won. So this was our basic jumbled words menu based game. So these are the 2 projects that we will be developing in the upcoming 2 videos. So I think this game seems excited and this will help you a lot with the concepts that you have learned. So let's catch up in another video with your machines ready and let's write some code and develop something.